Happy, 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 happy. Yeah, it's always cuddling time with my bird. Look at it. It's gotta de-stress him really like this by petting him gently like this. You can also grab his face. Hold on, you're too clear, bro. You're too bright. Hello. Diggity. Yeah. Cutie. Oh, he's trying to sleep. He kind of looks like he's sleeping. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? And Kenny. Guys, he's sleeping. My mate. Oh, he's peeing. He's pre-sleeping. Clean and sleeping. Look at, he's acting like a baby. Yeah. Comment down below if you guys love our bird. You can also move his head. Look at this. Hey, look at. Look. You can also make him dance. Look, you can pet him. Look. Look at this. You can also bite your finger really gently like this. You can look, let me make you dance. Look. No, don't pre. Son of a bitch. He's so cute.